you happy I got a shark?
Something cool.
So there will be a live.
We found out something cool. Guys, we're gonna go do it again,
I
except
found
it's
it
gonna be
out.
on camera.
I found it out.
So let's go.
Koboy 8. Yeah. I taught them how to do
Get
it.
the blicky. Get the same things you had last time.
Get the blicky.
Oh,
Yeah.
shoot. Yo, could someone buy me like a blicky grenade gun?
What?
The blicky grenade gun.
gun.
Oh, the RPG.
Heck nah.
I'm not getting that, bro.
Alright, come on. Let's go.
Why did you teleport like that? That's weird.
Oh, wait for me! Hurry up!
And don't die this time. Even though I died too. Well, I never died, I just went back.
Yo, my...
Is he crashing out?
Not yet. I'm ready to shoot him if he does crash.
Oh no!
You made him crash out!
What the heck?
He's crashing out. I ran out of blicky. I ran out of blicky.
Alright, let's go.
I ran out of blicky stuff, so y'all gotta be in front of me. I ran out of blicky.
I did too. So you gotta be in front as well.
Y'all ran out of blicky shoot.
Yo, guys, gonna film.
Do you still have blicky? This way.
Where are you guys?
This way.
I see him! I see the crash, Mr. Crash Out.
Taco gang. Where'd you go? This way. And you go.
Come on, hurry up. I saw Mr. Crash Out.
Is he red right now?
Oh, he wasn't red, he was white. Oh, I see him.
Just blow past him. Just blow past him. Oh, he's orange.
Yep, go this way. Let's see if we can go this way.
Oh, we can't. We can't go that way.
Yeah, we can.
No, we can't.
Wait, no, we can't. No, we can't. No, we can't.
We just gonna have to go past him. I'm past.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. I am too.
My headset battery's low.
Then hurry up. Oh god. Hurry up.
Let's go.
He said his headset battery's low.
Wait, I can charge my battery pack.
Oh yeah, put on your battery pack. I forgot he had one of those.
Oh, wait, let me put my battery pack on.
Yeah, put your battery pack on.
I'm gonna put it.
Can I do this real quick?
Now wait for him to put his battery pack on. Wait for him to put his battery pack on. Wait for him to put his battery pack on.
We're gonna get cooked because it's based off of sound. Unless I just like speed run. It's actually what
I'm just gonna use this the whole time. Yo, Taco Gang, hurry up.
I'm coming.
Okay. Alright, they're based off of sound, just FYI.
Yeah, so you gotta be on the ceiling.
Where you guys at?
I'm in brain.
We are too.
So low hope.
I am too. At least we made it though. We made it.
I'm not. I didn't take one single bit of damage.
Shut up. All right, I got this one.
I got this one.
You get the last one. We're gonna unplug him.
Pull up. I'm going.
Oh, look at all the pictures. Look at all the pictures.
If I see me on there, I swear I'm gonna crash out.
I'm coming.
Hurry up. We unplugged him.
Here.
Bro, we're
And
back.
over here, it says
It's
animal
up-
company. And it right here, it says
Add epic
event.
add epic event here. So there will be
Come
a live
back.
event. Confirm there will be a live event.
Come
and
back,
then it says come back. LBR.
LA.
Coda.
Isn't Coda a developer?
Yeah.
No, look at the version. It's version
No, I did not
0.0.0.0.
know that.
Yo, this is the beginning of the game. Yeah, so confirm there will be a live event here. Right here it says. So it is
You need
confirmed.
like a
Connection lost.
Video,
It says connection
trade,
lost.
and then like
And then when you go into the Fortnite Rift, something really cool happens.
Let's go through the Fortnite rift. Fortnite. Oh, we're back
Spawn
here.
back at the OG map, which is
Oh,
actually
we're back
really
here.
cool. So you can take a second to like mourner all the good times you had here.
Bro, what
And
happened to
then-
Stash? It's not here anymore.
That's funny.
all the good times right here.
Bro, Taco Gang.
times.
Remember this?
Yo, wait, yo, I do remember.
No, you
this.
can't go
For the
back there.
manhunt.
You can't go back
All the
there.
funny times at stage.
For the manhunt.
Yeah, bro.
All the good times.
Hey, Taco Gang, remember our secret hideout out there?
Up there. Can we go
Yeah.
up there?
I wonder if we can.
I think we could.
All right, let's go through the rift. Let's go.
The live event happens too, right when you spawn back. So it's like you rebooted everything when you unplugged the cord, pretty much.
It's kind of like reversing time and going back in time.
Exactly. It's like you rebooted everything.
But that's what happens.